Hello and welcome to the EX preparation exam. Let's go right to the thingy majiggy. Let's go. So this is question 4 or task 4, which is create the following users groups and add users to the groups, blah, 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 blah. You kind of know what this is going to, okay? This is all on server A unless something or someone tells you differently. You should do, most likely all these first tasks are going to be on server A. We should switch to server B when you troubleshoot the root's password on server B, and all the rest of the tasks should be on server B. Okay, but don't worry, they are very clear telling you on which server to do what. No, there will be no doubts about that. Okay, so I'm going to then check the instructions, create the following users, groups, and users, and blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. Okay, so they want to create a group called admin. Okay, so group add admin, that's fine. The user Harry, that belongs to the admin group. User Natasha, who belongs to these are actually names from the real exam. I remember them. Also, my students do also. So they are just real names. So you can do whatever way you prefer. You can create a user and add it to the group later. Whatever. I'm going to do the easy way. User adds -G. My keyword is not load keys. PT. Okay, user adds -G. Why is still on the wrong? Is my physical PC with the wrong keyboard layout? Yes, it is. Okay, -G. Admin Harry. So this is going to create Harry, and he's going to belong to the admin group. And Natasha will also be okay. Natasha. This doesn't have to be 100% equal to the exam. You just need to get the mechanics down. Okay, cool. They have here Sarah does not have access to the interactive shell, so basically it's them saying basically it's them saying that we need to Natasha cannot log in interactively, which means they should have the admin no login shell. You can create the user first and change the properties after. So let's go user add. It doesn't really matter how you do it. It just needs to, in the end, just needs to be as they want. How to get there? They don't give a shit, Sarah. User add. Oh, no login. Oh, see, already exists. That's fine. You just edit the passwd file, find Sarah, and you just fix it. So no big of a deal. It's fine. No login. It's fine. All right. All users must have the password. On the exam, they're probably going to ask a different password, but whatever. So passwd, use whatever process you like, okay? Don't smash the keyboard saying I would do this. It's fine. Whatever, man. Whatever. There are faster ways. Yes. Do I care? No. Do I know the other ways? Yes. Do I care? No. I don't care, man. It's done. It works. Everybody has a correct password, so chill. Cool. If just in case, ID Harry, ID Sarah, Natasha. Everything's working fine with the correct passwords. You can, if you really want to be anal, and you just check the files. Okay, so basically that's what you did. Create the following users, and the passwords are there. Everybody belongs. Harry belongs to the admin group. Natasha belongs to the admin group. Sarah doesn't have the no login. Has a no login shell, which means it doesn't have interactive access. everybody has the correct passwords, and we are done. So this test is done. Like, subscribe, and comment. It will help, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.